In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust invoice print size on QuickBooks. If your invoices are coming out too small, too large, or cut off at the edges, this quick walkthrough will help you dial in the print size so everything fits neatly on the page and looks professional. Start by opening the invoice you want to print. In QuickBooks, head to Sales, then All Sales, and choose Invoices. Pick the specific invoice you want to adjust. Once it's open, select Print or Preview. This takes you to the print window, which is where all the sizing magic happens. In the print window, look for the option called More Settings. Expanding this menu reveals the controls that affect how your invoice fits on the page. Find the scale setting. You have two practical choices here. If you want QuickBooks and your browser to automatically make the invoice fit the printed page, choose Fit to Printable Area. This is the simplest way to prevent clipped borders or overly large text that spills past the margins. If you prefer more granular control, choose a manual percentage and adjust it to your needs. Common sweet spots are around 90% or 95% if your invoice content is just barely touching the margins, or 100% if it already fits well and you want full-size text. While you're in more settings, you can also choose the paper size. Pick letter if you're in the United States or A4 if you're in many other regions. Using the correct paper size matters because the printable area and margins differ between these standards, which directly affects how your invoice scales. You can also switch the orientation. Portrait is typical for invoices and works best with standard layouts, while landscape can help if your invoice has wide columns or you're seeing totals wrap awkwardly. If you do try landscape, consider a slightly lower scale so nothing crowds the edges. As you fine-tune these options, use the preview on the right side of the print window to confirm everything looks balanced. Check that your company details, customer information, line items, and totals are fully visible and not clipped. Small reductions in scale are often all it takes to make the entire layout breathe without making text too small to read. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Print. That's it. You've adjusted the invoice print size directly from the print window using scale, paper size, and orientation, ensuring a clean, accurate, and professional result every time. If you revisit the same invoice later,